Today guys, may pag-uusapan tayo isang mainit-init na topic and it's about Google Pay. Recently, parang this week lang naglabas si Google Pay ng statement na it is now rolling out here in the Philippines. And yes, it's a good news para sa mga Android users out there na may NFC ang kanilang smartphone. So, paano nga ba gamitin to? What are the pros? What are the cons? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Sobrang ako excited nung nag-roll out tong Google Pay. Now, it used to be, pag nakita ko mga pinsan ko, nagbabayad sila sa Hong Kong, sa Singapore, gamit na nila smartphone nila like S25 Ultra, tatap lang nila sa credit card terminal, and yun na, bayad na. Sabi ko, ano technology yun? Sabi niya, is yung Google Pay. So, okay. So, it's called the Google Wallet ngayon. And kung gusto ninyong magkaroon netong payment method ito, what are the steps to do? What are the things that you need? And first of all, yung pinaka-importante is yung compatibility ng card. Meron certain brands lang, certain banks na compatible. And it so happened na yung mga cards na yun ay yung mga wala ko. I saw some like China Bank, Union Bank, and GCash card, PayMaya card, and GoTime. And meron pa mga differentiation, may Master, may Visa pa. So it happened na meron ako Union Bank. Pero yun nga lang, ang nire-require niya is Union Bank na Visa. Ang meron ko is Master. So, tinry ko i-pair, sumablay. Ito ang message na makikita mo. And meron din akong GCash card and it's a GCash Visa. And tinry ko rin i-pair, ayaw din. And it so happened na gusto lang niya is GCash na Mastercard. Wala ka naman choice pag nag-apply ka ng GCash card. Wala ka naman pwedeng gawin na pagpipilian mo na gusto ko Master, gusto ko Visa. Wala namang ganun di ba? Anyway, the last option is to get a GoTime card. And by the way guys, kung gusto nyo makita ang full list, yung mga currently supported na mga cards and mga banks, here's the master list. And so it happens na malapit naman sa akin ng Robinsons Malabon na grocery store, supermarket, yung mga GoTime naman doon, araw-araw nag-aalok doon. So, finally, they got me hooked. Now, by no choice, kailangan ko mag-apply just to try out the Google Pay para sa inyo, para makita ninyo. And so, I did. Nakakuha ko, mabilis lang naman siya i-activate, mabilis lang naman siya gamitin, ang GoTime. Very convenient din naman ang GoTime card. Parang GCash lang naman siya. So, the next thing to do is to download Google Wallet sa inyong Google Play Store. What you need to do is to sign in sa account mo and to add or link a card na compatible. No, so right now it's GoTime na card ko. So I did try to pair it, filling up all the information na kailangan. Then yun na, it's link. Finally, it's working. So the next thing to do is to try it then dito sa supermarket, sa grocery, and to use it for the first time ang aking Google Pay. And by the way guys, the next thing na gusto mong tanong sa akin kung gagana ko siya sa mga China ROM na phones, and it did work sa aking Xiaomi 15 Ultra dahil may NFC naman siya. So, wala naman discrimination. Android Auto lang naman ang hindi gumagana sa mga China ROM phones. So, Google Wallet is working sa mga China ROM phones. Hooray! Good news sa atin lahat. And so, tinap ko naman ng aking smartphone na may NFC into the credit card terminal ng supermarket ni Robinson. And it worked. Dating nakikita ko lang sa mga pinsan ko, gano'n ka-convenient magbayad sa ibang bansa. It's finally here in the Philippines and I'm so freaking excited, no? But of course, with such great technology, there's always some risk that comes with it. But before we talk about yung mga risks, no? Para malaman ko yung phone mo compatible para sa mga Google Pay. So you have to make sure na phone mo is NFC ready. Normally, mga mid-range yung pataas, may NFC yan by default. And sa mga budget phones, there are quite a few. Kunti lang sila. Napipilang lang sa daliri ng mga may NFC. So, paano mo makikita? Drop down mo lang menu, makita mo kung meron isang letter N, yun, NFC yun. Kung hindi mo makita doon, pasok ka lang sa settings and meron ka makitang menu for NFC on most smartphone na may NFC, of course. Now, it brings down to ano ga mga risk, no, na kailangan mo alamin while using yung bagong feature ni Google, which is Google Pay or Google Wallet. Here are some tips na pwede ko i-share sa inyo. Now, first things first, do not pair yung credit card mo na malaki ang credit limit. Now, what if 1 in a million chance na hack ang server ni Google? 1 in a million, di ba? Highly unlikely, pero what if, di ba? Kung na-hack yun, pati credit card info mo na-hack, edi wipe out din ng credit card mo is pending. So, hindi natin malaman, hindi natin alam. So I would suggest that you pair mga cards na medyo smaller ang credit limit. There's a lot. Metrobank, meron siyang Metrobank Go, BDO, meron siyang, I think, BDO shopping or BDO online, I think. Something like that. Yung mga mas internet-proof na cards against cybersecurity would be safer to pair sa mga technology like this one, like Google Pay. Another one, pwede mo ring gamitin ng GCash, PayMaya, and GoTime mo. Just don't put too much money on it. Eh, alam naman natin si GCash has a history of getting hacked easily by hackers. No? Marami na ako narinig horror story about that. Hindi naman sa sinisira ako si GCash, pero it's for your convenience. Pero of course, you have to protect yourself. Kasi once na wala yun, wala na magagawa si GCash. Hindi na niya ma-reverse para sa'yo kahit anong gawin mo. So, you have to be careful with that. Now, since NFC ready the phone mo and naka-install ang Google Pay, naka-default yung NFC mo into Google Pay, here's the danger. Now, huwag mo na kung saan ilagay ang iyong smartphone right now na naka-screen face up. Bakit? No? So, hindi mo alam kung there are people na medyo matalino, like me, na mga may NFC card reader, lapag mo sa ilalim ng table, malay mo, mabasa mo information ng phone mo. Kasi nilagay mo, by default, NFC mo is Google Pay. So, kung nilagay ko ang card reader sa ilalim ng table, kung manipis lang yung table, baka mabasa, di ba? So, what if lang I'm just thinking out of the box para sa inyo for some safety precaution na might happen na hindi mo inaasahan. So, at least nalaman mo naman sa akin yun, no? Kasi there's such thing as a NFC card reader, which I happen to have sa bahay. Now, the next one is yung parang meme lang, no? It's just a funny one. Yung nakikita mong mga videos na naglalakad yung tao, hawak ang card niya or hawak yung cellphone niya, bigla may nang tisod, tapos yung next person, hawak niya is yung credit card terminal, nag-tap, so nagtuloy ang payment. So, the next person is aabot sa yung merchandise na hindi mo naman balak bilhin. So, it's just a meme, pero nice to still be careful with yung mga new technology. It's a nice technology, but of course, it always comes with risk. So, with risk at hand, at least inform ka sa mga pwede mangyari. Hindi mo na basta-basta pwede pahiram yung phone mo to anyone. Baka naman itap na kung saan-saan at magugulat ka na lang. Ubus na yung pera mo, di ba? Just a safety precaution. No? A friendly reminder para sa inyo. Hindi ko naman sinasabi huwag nyo gamitin tong bagong technology. It's nice, it's good, it's very convenient, but you just have to be careful. Now, it all boils down to just one thing. Kailan si Apple Pay? No? Samantala tayo mga other users, we're happy na can finally use yung NFC natin pang tap ng pambayad. At yung mga Apple friends natin, nagtatanong, pahingi ng QR. Ang masasabi ko lang, inggit, pikit. So, Apple, kailan nyo i-deploy ang Apple Pay here in the Philippines? I hope this video is quite educational para sa inyo to let you know how to pair your Google Pay sa inyong phone ninyo and what are the pros and cons of using this type of technology. And do feel free to share this video to your friends, lalo sa mga nagbabalak naman Google Pay, just like you. So, I hope na mag-subscribe din kayo dito sa aking channel. Notify na rin hit yung notification bell so you don't get left out sa mga latest na educational tech tips here sa aking channel. So, paano yan? Hanggang dito muna ako. I'll see you when you see me. Peace out.
And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.